Welcome. I will be sharing with you how you can make close to €5 living here in Nigeria. All you need is an internet-enabled phone and about 10 minutes online daily. You perform simple tasks on 3 social media platforms, TikTok, Facebook and YouTube. The platform that offers this service is BKIS. They are an European firm. Their jurisdiction do not cover Nigeria, but we got help, and now as a Nigerian living in Nigeria, you can earn just like in other climes. BK Information Services, BKIS, is an investment established by Hambling Watersa Investment Consultants Company, Limited, HWIC, in Valencia, Spain in February 2018. Address, Avinguda de les Corts Valencians, 52, 46015 Valencia, Valencia, Spain. Established in 2018, BK Information Services, BKIS, is a new internet advertising company invested and controlled by Hambling Watersa Investment Consultants Company, Limited. The business covers more than 30 countries, including advertising operation, elevator media, short video, new media, financial business, etc. If this is what you really need and you are sure you can, then join my group using the link below this video and wait patiently for further instructions. Since its establishment, BK Information Service Company, BKIS, has established a wide range of countries to create novel products, explore new advertising ideas, provide the best quality services, and establish a good reputation. BK Information Services has been running for 3 years and many part-timers make a lot of money with it, so it's very reliable and trustworthy. With the rapid development of video platforms, the company has received a lot of orders. The company has been growing in recent years, and the company will flourish for 5 years or even 10 years. As long as Facebook and YouTube and TikTok platforms exist, the company will continue to grow and become stronger. Are you looking at building a steady income with a reliable company? Then join others around the world and start making money right from your living room. The group link is just below this video. Click to join us today.